Hi, I'm garden designer Peter Donegan. The following is a brief video on the installation of block paving. Curbs should be put in place to restrain the paved area. These curbs should be laid on a bed of strong sand cement mix and haunched, using the same material to ensure stability. Level and compact the sub-base before placing your Clause 804 stone. It is recommended that 100 to 250 millimeters of Clause 804 stone is placed. The Clause 804 stone should be levelled before being heavily compacted using a plate compactor. Care should be taken to ensure that the plate compactor does not impact the curbs, as this may affect their stability. When the Clause 804 stone is being laid and compacted to the correct level, the laying grid is placed and levelled using screeding rails. This laying grid is now compacted using a plate compactor. A final screed is then completed to ensure that the correct level of the compacted paving grid is achieved. The screeding rails are then removed and now the castle stone block paving can be laid. The block paving comes in two different sizes and is laid on a random basis to ensure a good interlock between the individual paving bricks. In the areas of the paving where a curb is not being used, the paving itself can be haunched using a strong sand cement mix. Haunching should be worked using a trowel to ensure that it performs effectively. Kiln-dried paving sand is now spread generously over the paved area and worked into the joints using a brush. A plate compactor is now placed on the paved area to compact the surface, therefore activating the interlock between the bricks, thus ensuring that the jointing sand fully fills all the joints.